Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Mercedes GLC first generation. Guys, if you want to see where the fuse boxes are located, where you can find them, you have hidden fuse boxes that most people don't even know about. Stay with us, we'll cover that. Please do not waste any money on repairs, diagnostics until you always check your fuses, because you have hidden fuses that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, by the way, after that, guys, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get them from. That way, okay, you can see where we get most of our supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, this generation, first generation Mercedes GLC. Let's explain now where you can expect to find all the fuses, fuse boxes and hidden pre-fuse boxes, relays as well. Guys, what you need to do first, open the driver door. And I want to show you here, when you open the driver door on the side of the dash, right here you have a cover, guys, okay? You see that cover here. You pry that cover open and behind it you have a fuse box. This is the driver fuse box right here on the driver side. Now, we're not done. On the passenger side, if you come in the footwell compartment, right here you see there is a cover, guys, okay? Pull that cover and behind it, okay, you have another fuse box. This is on the passenger side now. And you think we're done, right? But we're not. We have a few more to go. If you remove the glove box, deep in the dash on the left side, behind the dash, guys, you have a pre-fuse box that looks like this one. You have many cables going in, and if you open it, you have very important mega fuses, okay, that most people do not know they even exist. And if one of those fuses does not work, your car may not even start, guys. Now, there is more fuse boxes, but before we continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And now, guys, we continue with the next location, the trunk. In the trunk, guys, okay, if you lift the carpet liner up, that cargo cover, you lift it up. On the bottom, you see right here, you have that cover. Open it, and underneath is, okay, let me show you now. Underneath is the trunk fuse box right here. That's what it will look like. That's the trunk fuse box, guys. Now, we're not done yet, guys. Okay, and we have 2 more. One of them is extremely hidden. The engine fuse box, the main fuse box is under this cover. You lift that cover up. Okay, and underneath is the engine fuse box. You have a cover that you have to remove. It has two bolts holding it in place, but that's where it become interesting. Now guys, check this thing out now. When you open the hood, this is the main engine fuse box right here. But if you come to the passenger side, you see that's your positive jump starter terminal, right? Now, if you remove that cover, okay, and that positive jump starter terminal, okay, let me show you now where it is, right here. Okay, this is what you see on top. This is actually a pre-fuse box, guys. That's the back side of it. You have multiple cables going in. It will look almost like the pre-fuse box on the inside. And depending on the year, model, and generation, year, model, and engine, you will have two different types. This is one type, okay, with the fuses, and this is the second type that you may have right there. So as you can see, okay, those are the main fuse boxes. Now guys, we'll have video about every single fuse, every single relay in that Mercedes. So let's say you're in the middle of the nowhere, you need to find transmission fuses, relays, you just come to the channel, search for that video, okay, a minute or two later you replace the fuses, you're back on the road. Or if you need fuel pump fuse, anything like that, check it out. All that will be on the channel. We're here to save you money, guys. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.